If you're about to or have just been through a hailstorm, you're probably wondering whether or not your roof is at risk. Well, in this video, we're going to be going over what size hail will damage your roof. What size hail damages your roof? For hail damage to be noticeable on your shingles, we're going to have a hailstorm with the hail somewhere around the size of a quarter, or let's call it 3/4 inch hail. Smaller hail might compromise the life of your roof, but it's not going to show up automatically as a bruise or a mark on your shingles. Now, metal roofs and membrane roofs, it's going to take a much larger hailstone and more of an impact to damage a metal roof. And a membrane roof, you're probably going to get by without having any damage to it unless that membrane is near the very end of its life. How can you tell if you have hail damage? When hail hits your roof, it's going to leave a dent or a little divot in your shingles that's not going to be quite the actual size of the hailstone, but it's going to be very noticeable. One of the things that you might notice right after a hailstorm is excess granules coming out of your downspouts, maybe in the splash blocks, or where your downspout maybe feeds out onto a sidewalk or a driveway. But that's one of the things that you would look for, is if you have excess granules at the bottom of your downspouts. Now, as far as getting on your roof to inspect your roof, I don't recommend getting up on your roof unless you're very comfortable getting up there, but there's a lot of other ways to tell if you've got storm damage without getting on your roof. There's other areas that you can look at around your home, like your downspouts, just any type of soft metals that you can see from the ground. You would want to do an inspection of them to see if they've got any dings or dents in them, or if there's any tears maybe in screens, or if you see little places where paint is missing, where hail has impacted a board that's been painted, or maybe even impacted the boards on a fence or the boards on your deck. What should you do if you have hail damage on your roof? If you find hail damage, then more than likely the life of your roof has been compromised. One of the first things you want to do is either call your insurance agent or call your insurance company and file a claim. The next thing you're going to want to do is find a roofing contractor that you trust that can handle that insurance claim for you and replace your roof after the claim process is over with. If you do find yourself with a roof insurance claim, then you're going to want to know how to navigate that claim. Click on the link below or at the link at the end of this video to watch our video about the 5 things to know on how to navigate through a roof insurance claim. And that should get you started. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can make an informed decision on their roof purchase. Catch you on the next one.